Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Akash, and this is Know Your Bicycle. So today we have Dharmendra ji right in front of us, and his bike is very beautifully folded in a VENTO. You can see we have taken that handlebar also out, and the pedals are folding, so it's very easily ported in the car, ready to go. But before leaving him on a good note, let's ask him how was his entire experience of finding us out, and obviously the ride quality of the bike. How was it, sir?
Very comfortable, very practical, and hopefully the reason I'm buying it for will be served soon. Otherwise, Akash ji हैं, पकड़ेंगे उनको दोबारा.
हाँ, agreed.
There are a lot of promises here, and it looks good. It looks good. Very sturdy. Definitely जितना दिखता है YouTube पे उससे बहुत बड़ा है. बहुत strong है.
So why eventually you thought of buying a folding only?
Folding for this reason.
For this particular reason, so that you can carry your bike along with you wherever you go.
For those occasions, one or two people trip, you can carry it with yourself. Also that for taking it to, let's say, second or third floor, it's much more easier. Much more easier to fold and keep it in your house as well. बाकी तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं, other reason भी उसमें पकड़ने का.
And the design is also very ergonomic. Like anyone can ride it. Even our parents can ride it. Kids can ride it.
Even if it was not foldable, I would have bought this one other than, rather than buying anything else, because of the ergonomics of the handle and seat, and the flexibility that because at my height I can reach.
And what's your height like for the viewers? 6'2". So you found it very comfortable.
I find it comfortable if just on the accelerator. You can just on the basic seat height as well. You can ride it, and you can raise it for pedaling as well.
All right.
So both the ways it is very comfortable.
Great. So thank you so much, and I hope that your experience becomes even more beautiful riding on the roads. And looking forward to see you in our e-Motorrad family group. Thank you.